In example 2, we're wanting to evaluate each of these logarithms. So now the answer is not given, but what we know is logarithms solve for exponents. So one of the things that we're going to do when solving for logarithms is use a technique, the same technique that we were using when we did questions in 5.3. We're going to change these to exponential form. We're going to say, we're going to let x equal log 5 of 3,125. And then in exponential form, this means 5 to the x is equal to 3,125. And if we can write both sides as the same base, because that's how we were able to solve for exponential equations up till now, then we'll be able to solve for x without our calculator. So 3,125 is 5 to the power 5. I think that might be one value past what we had on our powers chart. But in this case, if these are equal, well, our technique tells us x would have to be 5. For our second one, again, we'll let x equal log 6 of 1 over 216. That means in exponential form, 6 to the power x is 1 over 216. 216 is in our powers chart for 6's. It's equal to 6 to the 3. And since I have a 6 to the 3 on the bottom, with my negative exponent law, I can say that that is 6 to the negative 3. Now that my bases are the same, I can say that x is equal to negative 3. So I have evaluated log 6 of 1 over 216. Now, if you can do it directly in your head, perfect. But often these ones like, oh, 8 to what power is 2 to the cube root of 2? It doesn't just bounce into my head that I know that answer. So that's why first setting up what I want to solve for, and then changing it to exponential form. On your powers chart, are 2 and 8 in the same column? Yes, they are. So I can change the 8 to 2 cubed. I can change the cube root of 2 to 2 to the 1/3. And then I can use my exponent laws. So this side will be 2 to the 3x. This side, add the exponents. 1 plus 1/3 is 4/3. Now that my bases are the same, (3x) is equal to 4/3. Divide both sides or multiply both sides by a third. Divide both sides by 3. And you'll get x equals 4/9. So this is really good, especially for your quiz on Thursday, because after changing it to exponential form, this is the same technique that we used to solve for x in exponents. So I'd like you to try 4, 7, and 9.